Hello students, welcome to our general education class. Today's topic are chapter 28, the 2020 game from page number 76 and 77. Chapter 29, majestic forts from page number 17. And last, chapter 30, Indian reformers, page number 42. Let's start from page number 76. The 2020 game. The 2020, or often abbreviated as T20, is a short format of cricket. In a 2020 game, the two teams have a single innings, each with a maximum of 20 overs. 2020 is one of the three current forms of cricket recognized by International Cricket Council, short form ICC. It was originally introduced by the England and Wales Cricket Board in 2003. A typical 2020 game is completed in about 3 hours, with each inning lasting around 70 to 90 minutes and a 10 to 20 minutes interval. This form of the games is very popular because it is more attractive to spectators at the ground and viewers on television. From 2020 game, what is general rule for T20 game? First rule is each bowler may bowl a maximum of only 1/5 of the total overs per innings. This usually means 4 overs. Second rule is a bowler deliver a no ball, it costs 1 run and his next delivery is designated a free hit. Next, fielding restrictions. First, no more than 5 fielders can be on the leg side at any time. Second, during the first 6 overs, a maximum of 2 fielders can be outside the 30-yard circle. 1 yard equal 0.000914 kilometer. Okay. This is known as power play. Next, restriction. After the first 6 overs, a maximum of 5 fielders can be outside the fielding circle. From this T20 games, some given here questions. Number 1. Which country hosted the ICC T20 World Cup? Answer is South Africa. Who was Pakistan's captain when they won the T20 World Cup in 2009? Answer is Yunus Khan. Number 3. His 12-ball half century during an ICC World T20 match remains the record for the fastest 50 in T20 international. Name the batsman. Answer is Yuvraj Singh. Fourth question. Number 4 question. How long is the duration of one innings of a T20 match? Answer is 75 minutes. Number 5. Which country hosted the second edition of the ICC T20 World Cup? Answer is England. Number 6. When West Indies won the 2012 ICC T20 World Cup tournament, who was the man of the series? Answer is Marlon Samuels. From page number 77, question number 7. When Chris Gill holds the record for the most sixes in a World T20 innings during his 117 against South Africa in 2007's opening match, how many sixes did he hit? In 170 runs, Chris Gill hit 10 sixes. Next, number 8. What is the maximum number of overs a bowler can bowl in T20 cricket match? Answer is 4 overs. Number 9. Which is the only country to have won the ICC T20 World Cup twice so far? Answer is West Indies. Number 10. In which year did India make its debut in the T20 internationals? Answer is 2006. Number 11. Who was the man of the tournament at the ICC 2020 World Cup 2007? Answer is Shahid Afridi. Number 12. Which bowler was hit by Yuvraj Singh for 6 sixes in an over? The first such feat in T20 World Cup? Answer is what? Brad. In page number 77, here given picture: first Chris Gill, second Shahid Afridi, and third picture Stuart Broad. What is there is a tie? There cannot be a tie in a T20 or 2020 cricket game. If and where there is a tie, it is broken with a 1 over per side. That's called eliminator or super over. Each of the two teams nominate 3 batsmen and 1 bowler to play a 1 over per side, which can be termed as mini match. And also given in this page, ICC 2020 World Cup winners chart. In 2007, winning team India. In 2009, winning team Pakistan. In 2010, winning team England. In 2012, winning team West Indies. In 2014, winning team Sri Lanka. In 2016, winning team West Indies. Next chapter. Our next chapter is chapter 29, Majestic Forts. From page number 17. India is a land of many majestic forts. These royal and rustic forts reflect the architecture of ancient India. In this page, number 17, read the clues and name these forts. Number 1 question: which fort is Jodhpur has a museum which documents the rich history of Rathors? Answer is Mehrangarh Fort. Number 2, which fort in Madhya Pradesh has 2 main palaces, the Man Mandir Palace and the Gurjari Mahal? Answer is Gwalior Fort. Number 3. A clap at which fort in Telangana can be heard a kilometer away at the Bala Hishar Pavilion? Answer is Golconda Fort. Number 4. Which fort stands proudly on the Trikuta Hill in the Thar Desert? Answer is Jaisalmer Fort. Number 5. At which fort in India can you see the two distinct pillars, Kriti Astambh and Vijay Astambh? Answer is Chittorgarh Fort. Number 6. From which fort in Jaipur can you have a magnificent view of the Mota Lake? Answer is Amer Fort. Number 7. Which fort was built by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in the Malwan town of Maharashtra? Answer is Sindhugarh Fort. Number 8. Which fort in Bikaner, Rajasthan was originally called Chintamani? Answer is Junagadh Fort. Number 9. Which fort in Rajasthan was the birth palace of Maharana Pratap, the great king and warrior of Mewar? Answer is Kumbhalgarh Fort. Number 10. The Thousand Pillar Temple is the chief attraction of which fort in Telangana? Answer is Warangal Fort. From this page, info bytes about Kumbhalgarh. The Kumbhalgarh Fort is the second largest continuous wall in the world. It is also called the Great Wall of India. The walls extend to a length of 36 kilometers and provide a strong fortification to the fort. Our next chapter, chapter 30. From page number 42. Indian reformers. India has always been a land of social reformers. They managed to bring revolution by making radical changes in the society. Number 1 is he is considered as the pioneer of modern India Renaissance. He also founded the Brahmo Samaj in 1830. Name him. Answer is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Number 2. His real name was Mool Shankar and he gave the slogan "Go back to the Vedas." Who was he? Answer is Dayanand Saraswati. Number 3. Who is known for delivering the inspiring speech at the Parliament of the World's Religions at Chicago, where he introduced Hindu philosophy to the West? Answer is Swami Vivekanand. Number 4. Often called Acharya, he is considered as the national teacher of India. Answer is Vinoba Bhave. Number 5. He was a social reformer from Maharashtra who promoted women's education and opened the first girls' school in India. Answer is Jyotiba Phule. Number 6. a great social reformer who strongly protested against polygamy, child marriage and favored widow remarriage and women's education in India. Answer is Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Number 7. He was an Indian social worker known for rehabilitation of poor people suffering from leprosy. Answer is Baba Amte. Number 8. She set up the Theosophical Society in India and fought for the rights of Indian women. Answer is Annie Besant. So today we have completed 3 chapters. Chapter 28, chapter 29 and chapter 30. Okay students, bye bye.